What's going on, guys? How are you? How are you doing? This is Shocks, and this is ShocksCapital YouTube channel. Today, I want to talk about a simple method of getting your trades. So, I want to talk about what we want to talk about: the 15-minute support and resistance. So, when you are dealing with support and resistance, what you need to know is you have to mark the highs and the lows that are on the same level, right? So, if you are looking at this, right, this is a very good example of a support and resistance, where you are seeing these ones on the same level, where price is retesting this same level many times, right? So you have these 4 hits to that particular level. So when you are dealing with 15 minutes support and resistance, what you need to see is, first, you need to identify at least two highs or lows. So if you identify these first two, then the third touch is going to be what is going to be your trade. So I'm going to show you how you look at this and the times that you need to be looking at this when you are dealing with volatility indices. And if you don't know what volatility indices are, you don't have an account, I have the links in the description down below where you can get your account today and start trading this strategy right away. So what you need is two hits to the high, right? Then you wait for price to hit for the third time. So what you need to understand, or what we are going to do much, is how you get the trade, how you then confirm if the trade is now ripe for your trading, which means if price hits these two times, right, when it comes for the third time here, you are going to wait for the black candle that confirms the direction that you intend on going. Then you're going also to talk about the stop loss that you're going to put on top of on top of these highs, and the take profit that you're going to put on the level that I'm going to show you in this video. So let's look at this. So on this one, you can clearly see that you have these two area where prices retested, and you can also consider these ones that you see here. So this is a strong support and resistance. So this was resistance at this particular zone, right? And it turned support when it took out this level, and this one is now support. So with this type of resistance and support, you can take your trade as soon as price breaks and retest on the other side, which means you will be taking your trade at this particular point after price shows you the direction that it intends to go, like this, right? Then after this, what do you see? You see that price is now going up and giving you those hits to to those particular zones. So if you look at this, you can clearly see that we have a support and resistance at this particular point, where price gives us this first touch, right, and gives us the second touch, which is this one, and the third touch. That's where you're going to be doing your business, and you're going to be entering as soon as price prints the bearish candle that you see here, and price goes down like that. So this is what you want to do. And if you are looking at a stop loss, and you are asking yourself where the stop loss is going to be, remember, we're just using one line to identify the highs and getting our trades on the third one. So your stop loss is going to go on the highest of the pins that these highs are going to be be giving you. So it means that you're going to be using the candle close to have your support or resistance line. As you see here, you're going to be using these ones. So when price touches for the third time, you are in, and your stop loss is going to go above above those pins that you are seeing, right? So this is volatility 25 1s, and I'm going to show you some trades on volatility 100 1s. So all these trades are found on the broker that is in the description down below. You can get your account right now, fund your account, and start trading this particular strategy and start making money. So we have this, and we have this second touch, and we have the third touch, as you can see. So what are you doing here? You're looking for you're looking for these first two, and you're waiting for the third one. So the third one arrives. Where is your trade? Your trade is going to be as soon as price prints the bearish candle right here, and the stop loss is going to go above above the pins that you are seeing in in this picture. So that is how you're going to do it, and this is the trade that you're going to be taking. And if you're looking for the safest take profit that you're going to do, you are going to go for the what, for the first low that you are going to be seeing on that particular direction. So if price is going down, you are going to use the first low that you see, the first low or the first swing low that you are going to be seeing, and that is going to be what, your take profit. And this is how price is going to go, right? So with that being said, this is how you're going to be doing it, and this is how you ought to be what, to be marking your what, your trades. So if you're looking at this, this is like what is actually happening now. So what are you expecting here? You're expecting price to go back to this one, to this particular resistance, and price goes. And if you want to use this as your first touch, then you might actually be having a trade on your hands right now, where you can enter at this particular zone, or wait for price to maybe retrace to around this area. Your stop loss is going to go where? It's going to go above here, and your take profit is going to go on the first low that you are seeing in this what, in this area. So let's look at V75 1S and try to see if we can find some examples that go to the upside. So number one, what are you looking for? You're looking for two touches, right? Two touches. So this is the second touch, as you can see here, and the third touch came right here. And what are you waiting for? You're waiting for a bullish candle that prints, and you are going to be targeting your what, this first swing high that you see, and your stop loss is going to go below the pins right here. So this is how you're going to go, and this is how you're going to be looking at your trades, and this is how you're going to be doing it. So if you are looking at this again, this can be a support zone where you are having these two touches, the first one, the second one, and the third one, which is what, which is this one, where price just gives you this bullish candle and price goes. So this is how you are going to do. And V75, if you're looking at volatility 75, which is the most popular when it comes to these things, okay, I want to give you an example where price just retest this zone, right? So we have two touches, the first touch, right, and the second touch. The third touch is here. So what are you waiting for? You're waiting for the bearish candle, which is this one. So it doesn't matter that price spiked through the what, the line, or spiked through our resistance area, but then it printed the what, the bearish candle, and closes below the what, the line, which means this is a valid trade, and your stop loss is going to go above this high, and you are going to go what, to take, you are going to take your profits at the next low, as you can see. So this is a very good example that you can see. So if you are following, let me know in the comment section which times are best for this, and at the end of the video I'll let you know the times that you need to be on your chart to look for these trades, and the best times that you need to be doing this. So if you are having any idea, or if you are having any observation, let me know the times that work best for this what, for this strategy in the comment section down below. I will be continuing the conversation with you in the comment section, so just let me know, and we're going to continue here. So this is another one where we are in the first touch, the second touch, and the third touch here. So this is more of a trade that would have hit our what, our stop loss. Remember, we are not doing 100% trades here. We want to show you all sides, right? So your stop loss would have gone here, and you'd have maybe entered at this particular zone, and you'd have been taken out, and this would have been a loss. And this is just to show you that this is not 100%, and you have to test it before you can employ it in your live trades. And if you are understanding it, you can go and trade it right away. So we have this one, we have this one, and we have this particular zone. So what are we going? You are going to be looking at this particular zone here and expecting price to what, to go up. Your stop loss is going to go above here. This is your trade, and you're going to go down like that. And let's look at the last example on what, on V100 index. And remember, these indices are found on Deriv, and the links and the description down below. You can get the links, and you can start trading right away. So we have this one, right, and we have another one. right? And what do we have again? We have price going back to the what, to the resistance, and we are waiting for something like this. So here I just wanted to show you something that is actually in motion, so that you don't get confused when you are trying to look for your trades. So this is the right time to be looking for trades, right? Where you see the previous high would have been made the previous day, then the next high is this day, then you are waiting for the second touch, and price is going. So if you are looking for a take profit, this might be a very good take profit for you to consider. And this is what I wanted to show you guys. And remember, if you are using Central African time, you need to be using this strategy in the early mornings from 4 a.m. to around 10 a.m. This is the best time for you to be trading this particular strategy. And if this is what you have written in the comments, just go and reply to your own comment and say you were right, or edit too. So don't edit your comments. I will see you in the next video. Shocks out. Bye bye.